The career training program offered by this 18-day course is an exceptional opportunity designed to equip students with the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in the private and government security training sector. The program is taught by experienced instructors, the best Israeli counterterrorism experts, who provide hands-on training that involves a range of advanced techniques and tactics. What sets this program apart from the competition are the most advanced Israeli tactical method and procedures, the unique approach to career development, which includes business and entrepreneurship training in addition to tactical instruction, a job placement program, an all-in-one business setup package that includes limited company registration, legal address, bank account, online payment setup, and first-year annual tax return, comprehensive business management skills training, business strategy kit, 12-month marketing kit, 12 months of full assistance and support, including Geniax associated status and SSCS approved training center status. Your future is now. Boost your career. Experience the power of our career training program and reach new heights. Be part of an elite group of successful people. Contact us for more details about this innovative and unique business opportunity